This is no joke, and this is not clickbait. If you put in the time and do what I'm going to show you, there is no reason you cannot make $80,000 per month on YouTube. What you are about to learn will change your life. I'm Micah Money, and I am part of a group of people who help each other make money on YouTube. And most of us do it without showing our face, and some of us don't even make videos at all. Do you want to join our group? Well, I'll tell you how you can at the end of the video, but first, I want to prove to you that you can make $80,000 or more every month with the 6 easy steps I'm about to show you. Check out these examples. Bestie, making up to $33,000 every month. Tech Zone, making up to $116,000 every month. Watch Mojo, making up to $262,000 every month. That's potentially up to $4 million every year. And that's just from their YouTube ad revenue. They could potentially be making a lot more money than that using some of the monetization methods that I'm going to show you in this video. And check this out, none of these channels show their faces. And here's the best part, you can do the same thing. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can bring in over 80 grand every month on YouTube with 6 easy steps. Step 1, set up your channel the right way. The first thing that we do is make sure we build our channels on a solid foundation. So here is an easy 6-step checklist that you can use to make sure that you get your channel set up the right way. 1. Pick a good niche. Now, if you are not familiar with the term, a niche is just a fancy word for the main topic or subject of your YouTube channel. You want your channel to be centered around one main topic in particular. That is your niche. And one of the most important things to do if you're going to build a successful YouTube channel is to make sure you pick a good niche. Yes, there are good niches and bad niches out there, and if you pick a bad niche, you will be pouring hours of your time into a dead-end channel. But if you pick the right niche, your channel will be successful if you put in the time. Now here is where most people screw up. Most people don't even think about the niche. They just grab a camera and start shooting videos that mimic what they see other YouTubers doing. That is a terrible way to go about it. But out of the people who do actually stop and think about what niche they should be in, most of them do something like this. They either spend weeks crunching numbers and doing research, going through data, looking for a diamond in the rough, the holy grail of YouTube, the perfect niche with no competition. Or they spend weeks doing a deep dive into their own soul, trying to figure out what they are most passionate about, what they were put on this earth to do, what subject their soul is yearning to express. What is my purpose? You do not want to do this. Here is what you should do. Either A, start a channel in a niche that you are interested in learning about, or B, start a channel in a niche that you have experience in. Now, if you can't think of anything, ask your family or friends what topic they are most tired of hearing you talk about. Whatever you like to drone on and on about the most, that is the niche for you. Why? Because whatever you cannot stop talking about is what you are most interested in. And you will have a strong drive to keep going if you are interested in the topic of your channel. If you pick a niche you have no interest in whatsoever just because you think it will be successful, it's likely you will give up or produce mediocre, boring content because it doesn't hold your interest. Now, if you still can't think of anything, here are some profitable niches that you could pick from, but make sure you pick something that you're interested in. Animals, business, celebrities, food, health, history, life hacks, luxury, psychology, technology, and travel. Now, if you want some more really great niche examples, check out the free guide I wrote called 8 money-making YouTube niches you can use to get millions of views without showing your face. There's a link to that in the description below. Now, after you've chosen a niche to try, the next thing to do is 2, do some basic market research. This is not as brutal as it sounds. This is basically just checking if there are people who actually want to watch videos for the niche that you're choosing. How do you do it? It's easy. Just go to YouTube and search your niche. Then just make sure there are at least a few videos that have 100,000 views or more. If there are, you are good to go. If there aren't, maybe try combining 2 niches together, such as animals plus health, or just pick a totally different niche altogether. 3. Pick a cool name. Now, this actually doesn't matter much at all. For example, there are huge channels that have really ambiguous, weird names, like Bestie, which is a health channel, like Hook, which is a business channel, and Slap Shoes, which is a NASCAR channel. Now, all of these channels could really be about anything if you're just looking at their name. And they're all successful channels. So bottom line, try to think of something quick and memorable that has something to do with your niche. And even bottomer line, don't overthink this, because it doesn't really matter much. It's far more important what you do with your channel than what you name your channel. Number 4, create your channel. This is where the rubber meets the road. You probably already have a Google account, but if you don't, just create one. You can even put multiple channels under the same Google account if you want to. Some people also decide to set up a new Google account for each YouTube channel they create, so in case something happens and their Google account gets shut down, it does not affect all their other channels. Now, either way works fine. The most important thing here is to get started. Number 5, optimize your channel settings. Now, I actually have a free video that shows you exactly how to create your channel and exactly how to optimize the settings. Check the description for a link to that. Number 6, make a logo and channel art. Just go somewhere like Canva for this. It's totally free and they have logo and channel art templates ready to go. Just customize them to fit your channel and you're good to go. Now, do not overthink this. It's really one of the least important things about the channel, especially when you're just starting. You could also go somewhere like Fiverr and pay someone to make it for you. And that does it for how to set up your channel the right way. Now for step number 2 in the 6 easy steps to bringing in over $80,000 a month on YouTube. Step 2 is find what content people actually need. In this step, we're going to come up with 33 video ideas. These will be the first 33 videos that you upload to your new channel. The reason we do 33 videos is because after you upload 33 videos, at least one of them should get some traction and get a decent amount of views. And even if none of them take off, you will still have enough data to look at to figure out what kind of content people want to watch. Your first 33 videos are pretty much just a test to see what kind of videos you should make more of in the future, and what kind of videos people are not interested in. We're going to break it down into 17 videos based on what people are actually searching for, and 16 videos based on successful videos that have already gotten lots of views. First, let's talk about the 17 videos based on what people are searching for. Now we're going to use VidIQ keyword research tool to do this. Check the description for a link to VidIQ. Type in your niche and search it, and then sort the results by best overall. Now you get a list of the best keywords that are getting the most searches, but also have the least amount of competition. Write down 17 video ideas with high searches and low competition. You can also use a tool like Ubersuggest if you don't want to pay for VidIQ, but I definitely recommend using VidIQ if you can. Now that you've got your first 17 video ideas from what people are searching for, it's time to find 16 more video ideas based on other popular videos that are getting lots of views. This is also super easy. Just go to YouTube and search your niche. Then filter by the most viewed videos, and again by videos uploaded in the past month. Now you can see videos that people are most interested in right now. Write down 16 video ideas based on these videos. You can also go to other popular channels in your niche and sort their videos by the most popular. Now, this method is not as guaranteed to work as using the most viewed videos uploaded in the past month method, but you can find some great ideas this way if you want to as well. The idea is this: if it worked for them, it should also work for you. And it probably will, that's why we do it. So, to summarize, you want a list of 33 video ideas. 17 of them come from what people are searching for, and 16 of them come from popular videos that are getting views right now. Now, before we move on, hit subscribe, because in my future videos, I'm going to do a shout out to a random subscriber. So make sure you are subscribed, and maybe I'll shout out your channel in the next video. Now, after you've gotten your list of 33 videos, it's time for step 3, making the content. It's time to make the videos. But that doesn't mean you have to get in front of a camera. You can run a faceless niche channel. Now, these are also called cash cow channels. These are channels that show clips from videos they did not make and put a voiceover on top of them. Now, you have probably seen lots of videos like this, such as top 10 videos. Now, if you want to do this, all you really need to get started is a cell phone so you can record your voiceovers, or you can get a cheap mic. I'm using the Blue Snowball Ice mic right now. It's like $50 and it works great. Now, if you want to show your face, you can just start recording videos with your cell phone. Or, if you want to put some money into it, you could use something like a Canon M50. Now, whatever type of channel you're going to run, you should write scripts for your videos. Just use Google to do some research for your video topics, and then you can write the scripts in Google Docs. It's also a good idea to run your scripts through Copyscape before you record them to make sure that they are 100% unique. Once you have recorded your video if you're showing your face, or after you have recorded your voiceover if you're not showing your face, the next step is to put the videos together. If you are not showing your face, you can use these things. You can use slideshows like Google Slides, PowerPoint, or Canva. You can use free stock footage from Pixabay or Pexels. You can use story blocks for even more stock footage. You can use whiteboard animation software like VideoScribe. And you can even use other people's videos straight from YouTube if you follow the fair use guidelines. Then you need to edit your videos, and you can do that with a free, simple program called OpenShot. You can also use free music from the YouTube audio library that will not get copyright stricken. Step 4, upload and optimize. Now it's time to upload the videos and optimize them so they will get views. First step is to make yourself a content calendar. That is how you decide how often to post to your channel. The more you can post, the better, but most important thing here is to be consistent. An easy way to do that is to post less than you actually create. So for example, if you can create 4 videos per week, you should only post 2 of them. That way you build a backlog of videos so you will never run out of videos to post. You can actually upload multiple videos at once and then use YouTube's scheduling tool to release the videos on your own schedule. When should you post? Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is a good time to post when you first start. Later, you can fine-tune your posting time around when your audience is most active, but for now, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is a good time to post. After you've uploaded, now it's time to optimize your videos. I recommend using VidIQ here to find the best keywords for your title, description, and tags. But you can also use Social Blade, a free Chrome extension, to see what tags and keywords your competitors are using to get an idea of what you should use. Now that you've uploaded your videos, it's time for step 5, get people to watch your videos. Now you could go posting your videos all over the internet on places like Facebook and Instagram, but honestly the best way to do it is to use YouTube itself to recommend your videos. One easy way to get YouTube to recommend your videos is to make one or more video series about one similar topic. Then use the same keywords in all of the videos in that series. That way you only need to get a little bit of search traffic to get the ball rolling and generate tons of watch time. This will get YouTube to push your videos out into the suggested feed on other popular videos. This can easily get you millions of views if you do it the right way. Step 6, turn on the money machine. There's 3 main ways you can make money with YouTube. Number 1, YouTube ads. 2, affiliate marketing. And 3, digital products such as courses. Let's talk about YouTube ads. Now YouTube will start paying you ad revenue when you get monetized. Now to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time total. Now that might sound like it would take forever, but if you do the things I'm showing you, it should not take as long as you might think. People in our YouTube group usually shoot for getting monetized in a month or 2. Now the best way to make the most amount of money from your videos is to make videos that are over 8 minutes long. That way you can put mid-roll ads on your videos and make more money. Let's talk about the second way to make money on YouTube, affiliate marketing. You can actually make money before you get monetized on YouTube with affiliate marketing. Just go somewhere like clickbank.com, Digistore24, or the Amazon affiliate program. Then find products related to your videos and put your affiliate link in your video description. When someone clicks and buys that product, you make money. Now let's talk about the third way to make money on YouTube, digital products such as courses. You can really make a lot of money if you sell digital products like courses, and you can make even more money selling your own courses. All you really need is to know more about something than somebody else. You can sell your own digital courses on places like Kajabi, Teachable, and Udemy. Now let's talk about how you can join us in our YouTube group. So at this point you have 2 options. You can try to start a niche channel by yourself, try to learn what works and what doesn't work by yourself through trial and error. This can take a really long time, but if you keep at it, eventually you will figure it out. But unfortunately, most people burn out and give up long before they make any money. Or you can do option number 2, which is learning from and working with someone who has already done this multiple times, who can mentor you and help you get the results that you want. Now, this is called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and it is a course and also a super active community designed to help you start making money with YouTube as fast as possible without showing your face or even making videos. And if you do want to make the videos, it'll help you with that also. If you chose the second option, I would love to introduce you to the coaching program that I started with. You will be able to come and ask any questions that you have at any time and have your questions answered directly. This is definitely the best YouTube course you will ever get your hands on, and if you want access to that and lifetime access to the private community, check out Tube Mastery and Monetization down at the link below. Then click here to see 5 juicy YouTube niches you can use to make money without showing your face.